really. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the vlog. I'm Nathan. Just one of these accessories that Ford's happened to have back when we bought our Explorer. It's a 2015, and when I bought it, this is my wife's primary vehicle, so I just wanted to see what kind of accessories that Ford had for it. And since she carries her purse and everything with it too, what can she do with it? Either put it in a glove box or put it under the seat, put it in the back maybe. Not a good idea. So what's that behind me, you see? Check that out. Back when we bought this, I found this on Ford's website, and what this is a console vault, and it's pretty cool. It meets all the government regulations, requirements, and so forth. Vehicle as well. It actually fits perfectly. So I wanted to reinstall this thing and just show you guys how easy it is and how simple it is. It literally takes 2 bolts to put this in. I don't have to drill anything. I don't have to modify the console, nothing like that. It literally just folds up, fits down in there. You pull it back, 2 bolts, and there you go. I'll also have a link in the description below that will take you guys to the website that sells these. It's consolevault.com. And you're able to go in there and just select your vehicle. They have a ton of different vehicles you can choose from, whether it be a truck, SUV, Harley Davidson even, Jeeps, Hummers, anything like that. You want to put anything, whether it be a firearm or any kind of purse or anything like that, you guys can store any kind of your valuables in this. So we'll go ahead and get started and see how it goes. All right, now that we're in the vehicle, we'll go ahead and show you guys what the console looks like. And once you clear all that out, there's only one little insert piece that's in there for change, whatever. Take it out, toss it aside, you're not gonna need it anyways. Let's take a look at it.
All right, we'll go ahead and get started. You can see I have everything cleared out of the console here. Took everything out. There's no cutting, no modification, anything that I have to do. So we're gonna take our console vault that we have here. We're gonna keep the door up. We're just simply gonna push this forward, just like that. We're going to insert this down in the console. And as we're doing that, we're just going to kind of wiggle this down. And that's as far down as it goes. The second thing is we'll just push the back out of there. And then we'll be ready for our 2 bolts, 7/16. That's all you need. And of course, these comes with it. And the only thing you'll need is just a socket. So they have pre-drilled pieces that are already in each side. Simply just hand screw these in. And that's it. Close your door, lock it up, ready to go. These locks here, you can get them in a 3-digit, 4-digit, or a barrel key if you decide to. I just wanted to do the 3 key. This is easy for us to remember. The barrel key, I couldn't imagine needing to get in there for any reason quickly, and you can't find the barrel key or you're fumbling with the barrel key. But nonetheless, this has been super simple for us. 12 gauge steel on it. I'll put some of the specs there. I'll have the web page. It should be in the side right here. We're able to kind of compare what Ford charges. It's around $360 something on Console Vault. This was $269, I believe. They ship it to you. As you can see how fast this was for me. I've had this thing in here since 15, but I wanted to reinstall it and show you guys what was out there and what's available for these vehicles too. So for those that have those valuables or firearm or anything like that, you can lock it up. You just simply don't put it in a glove box or anything like that. So but there you have it. That's all there's to it.
If you like this video, I hope you did. Consider subscribing. Also, if you don't mind, hit that notification bell and you get notified anytime I have some uploads for it. We'll have some Explorer content on here, mostly Corvette stuff. So I appreciate you stopping by. Thank you very much. Have a great day.